aircraft electrical bay is a critical component, housing essential systems that power an aircraft's operations. Inside, one can find various electrical panels, circuit breakers, and wiring harnesses that connect to the aircraft's avionics and systems. The electrical bay typically contains power distribution units that manage the flow of electricity to different aircraft systems, including lighting, navigation, and communication. Additionally, it houses backup power sources, such as batteries and emergency generators, ensuring that vital systems remain operational during power failures. Thermal management systems are also present, helping to dissipate heat generated by electrical components. Regular inspections and maintenance of the electrical bay are crucial for safety, as any malfunction can lead to serious operational issues. Understanding the components within this space highlights the complexity and importance of aircraft electrical systems in ensuring safe and efficient flight operations. Overall, the electrical bay is a hub of activity, vital for modern aviation.